Oh.
The iPad kid can't be as exciting as this iPad cat.
Night can't stop a true explorer on a treasure hunting mission. Wind and fur, eyes closed, tongue out. Doggo experiencing life with all senses.
I get to observe others. No one is allowed to watch me. You got it? Don't look at me like that. I'm warning you. I mean what I say.
It. Muy bien, muy bien.
A silent learning process for the next mimicry is definitely happening. It looks like a high jump competition just to be in the photo. Veteran level before even opening their eyes properly. Make sure the two siblings get everything equally, or the house will never be peaceful.
Hey Nala, that's your...
Come over here right on time. Did you bring it? Got my buddy for fun and vibes, but I ended up being the therapist.
Hey man. Oh, you don't take the shots, have you, miss?
But sometimes those wild instincts aren't so cool when they're limited like this.
Yeah, good boy. Okay.
Who says you can't have a waterfall? Indoors.
Crazy cat!
That is for sure.
Well then, Colt, it's right there.
Even as a house pet, this four-legged buddy still keeps his sharp, wild instincts in top form.
Sit your bad ass
Even as a house pet, this four-legged buddy still keeps his sharp, wild instincts in top form.
Excuse me? What do you think you're doing?
This is a little excessive. They only turn one once.
Really? You had to go in that. I'm not helping you. You went in, you can.
After watching this buddy, I'm really glad cats don't lay eggs. Not messing around, someone is just warming up to get used to this workout. I get to observe others. No one is allowed to watch me. You got it? How can someone look this cool just drinking water? One cat is already a headache. Having two will take it to the level of a heart attack. This buddy might have realized that turning into a baby means being the most spoiled one in the house.
Sharing a sandwich, Miso and Jacob. He's actually really kind of cute.
Look who's preparing to audition for the circus.
Qui va venir rentrer du travail, je vais culer les toilettes. Oh, excuse-moi.
Honestly, have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Dinner's so good.
Who's that? Hello! Hello! So heavy.
Unless you want all your houseplants dead. His hunting instincts are still sharp. He's probably been secretly practicing.
tell me you got that up here.
Bert. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you okay?
Be careful if you dream of falling from a height. It might just come true.
Bert. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you okay?
They're absolute geniuses at taking the hint about eating and napping.
Qui va, je viens de rentrer du travail, je vais culer les toilettes. Oh, excuse-moi.
Honestly, have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
They need to learn what to mimic and what to stay away from. Their mess always leads to a new discovery. That's why they never stop.
Turn around. Turn around. Come on, turn around. I'm right here. Right here. Yeah!
Oh! I don't want to catch it!
A sleeping dog with tongue out may indicate total relaxation and trust in its environment.
Hook, hook. Left, hook.
If there's still dust in the house, don't rush to blame the vacuum cleaner.
Started as a simple quest, turned into a survival storyline.
Cam, it's passing down the rain. Come on.
You can come in, but you can't bring your stick. No. No stick. Come on. No.
The line between angel and devil in cats is truly razor thin.
When regular pets just don't hit the spot anymore, Bro turned a household.
been too much.
When the cats get enough attention for the day, you'll be the excess.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Like this buddy misunderstood the term babysit.
Hero! Are you okay?
Come here, please. I can see your head. Come here. Let's go. Treats. Come on, come get treats. I hate you so much.
Don't look at me like that. I'm warning you. I mean what I say.
You gotta go airdrop that first.
Tell me we got that up here.
Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Hi.
Dare.
Gonna drop it.
Dax, that's us.
Little head trying so hard to figure it out.
She loves me.
The joy of a teacher is having a student who learns this fast.
Perhaps Human forgot to mention he guards our hearts, not the house.
Lesson learned. Never stand in the way of a tiny mischief maker. Lying down is basically this mate's go-to. That's why Buddy didn't even hesitate to mimic.
For those who can't pet their cats, try this instead. Is your husband playing too many video games? Get a cat.
Ёшкин кот.
Humans think they can control everything. Doggy proved that they were wrong.
Look who's preparing to audition for the circus.
Bist du bescheuert? Wie willst du da jetzt rauskommen?
Hook, hook. Left, hook.
They need to learn what to mimic and what to stay away from.
I know you're f***ing lying. Get
But how about a gangster cat with an Oscar-winning performance like this?
Ma'am.
Wind and fur, eyes closed, tongue out. Doggo experiencing life with all senses.
Yeah, good boy. Oh, okay.
Eccola.
Go exercise. Your cat might enjoy the benefits just by mimicking you.
Sharing a sandwich, Miso and Jacob. He's actually really kind of cute.
Started as a simple quest, turned into a survival storyline.
Oh my gosh.
Lying down is basically this mate's go-to. That's why Buddy didn't even hesitate to mimic.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Hey, you're going too far, boy, little one. I'm still the king in the house.
The line between angel and devil in cats is truly razor thin. For those who can't pet their cats, try this instead.
Don't. Pippin. Pippin, no. Stop it. Now.
Sometimes the ones consuming your content have absolutely no clue what you're posting.
เปียกทำอะไรของกะเปียกทำไมทำอย่างนั้นกะเปียก
Be careful if you dream of falling from a height. It might just come true.
Steal.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
Come on. No. Nope.
Cover the sunroof.
Even when they're bored and not in the mood to play, cats still have the ability to make us laugh. Is your husband playing too many video games? Get a cat.
Fun fact, French bulldogs are prone to snoring due to their short snouts.
Cats really are a reflection of us. See you next time.
Eccola.
The way she grabs your face. Ew! No.
Sometimes the ones consuming your content have absolutely no clue what you're posting. This is when you have a cat that's both competitive and great at mimicking.
That's terrible.
It seems like someone has shown this buddy too much Spider-Man.
No. Fat boy.
No, she's gonna say, oh!
They will.
Dog said self-care, but I'm gonna look iconic doing it.
That's my breakfast. Oh, no! Oh!
Territorial. Why are you so territorial? I left you an empty box. Why must you take his box? Tom, remember, we're working on our behavior. Tom, this is why you didn't get a gift. We're working on our behavior.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
His hunting instincts are still sharp. He's probably been secretly practicing. Short circuits during play are common with cats, as sometimes they need to reboot their system, you know? A thing like this. So this is how cats pug their stealing without a mask? This guy must be an amateur.
Humans think they can control everything. Doggy proved that they were wrong. Louder than size, you don't gotta be the biggest to be the CEO.
POV. Your friend calls, says it's urgent, then says never mind. Ish.
Like, this is inspiration to me. Like, I'm dead over it. Like this, I was like ever. I just wanted. This is like art. Like, I love it. Like, there's.
The joy of a teacher is having a student who learns this fast. Excuse me, what the meow is happening?
Excuse me? What do you think you're doing?
This is a little excessive. They only turn one once.
Go exercise. Your cat might enjoy the benefits just by mimicking you. Not messing around. Someone is just warming up to get used to this workout.
Orange is the reason behind all those confusing behaviors in cats, no doubt.
For her, soccer is just a game. For
Oops, nannying is definitely not her strong suit.
Cute. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
that moment, Doggo wonders, why does this window have a partner?
They are. Wherever can be messed, but once everything is ready.
Some dogs fetch balls. This one fetches gossip.
He's angry at you.
He is pissed.
Even a predator knows manners come first. Human training clearly paid off for him.
It's just a car wash.
Looks like bro's about to tell the difference between his making biscuits and humans. It looks like a high jump competition just to be in the photo.
Are you kidding me right now? Power on.
What that dash hound knows, fitness isn't just for humans.
Hey, you're going too far, boy, little one. I'm still the king in the house.
Cats are undoubtedly the most relaxed creatures in the world.